Alright guys, this is gonna be a little more free intro. We have an issue. Right after I left the car event the other day, my P3 gauge stopped working. Like, I will turn the car on and it's just not turning on anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and diagnose that. We're also gonna take this K&N kit. We're gonna clean the air filter. So this is gonna just be a little vlog. So yeah, we're still waiting on the exhaust. April 19th is the ship out date, so that'll get here whenever it gets here. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and diagnose the P3 gauge. We're gonna clean our air filter cone in this video. So if you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for all the content, and we're gonna get into this video. All right, guys. So let's go see what's wrong with the gauge. We'll get into the F30 right now. So as you can see, I'm in the 330i, right? When we get into the car, you're supposed to be able to turn the car on, and the P3 gauge comes on. However, mine is not coming on anymore, and I'm not sure why. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a screenshot right here in the corner. They emailed me, got back to me on the situation. They said maybe I have the configured to where when you turn the engine off, the gauge is off, which I didn't touch it for any reason. Like, I didn't touch it, but you know, you never know. It could have just, I don't know, man. I don't know. We're gonna try that. If not, it's still under warranty, so I might have to send in the whole gauge, have them replace it, send me a new one. You know the process. It's a good thing that it bugged out before the warranty ended, because I would have to replace piece by piece myself, and who knows how much that would have added up to. Honestly, it might have even added up to the total of a new one. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go through the steps he gave me in the email. I'm gonna try to throw the email up in here, right here in the corner somewhere, and we're gonna get into that. All right, guys. So like I thought, you see, we're gonna push these buttons. It's not coming on at all. Even if I hold them in, nothing. Like, it's dead. It's not getting any power. I believe I pinched the wire down there somehow. I'm not too sure how. Maybe I kicked it or something, but it's completely dead. And this kind of sucks because I actually like this and I use it a lot. So hopefully they're gonna send me a new one. Yeah, it's not getting any power. Even if you unplug it from the OBD2, there's just no power. It's dead. So honestly, I'm gonna have them send me the new OBD2 plug to get power back to it. But I'm thinking about just getting the hard wire kit, because I don't think the F30 is going anywhere. So I'd rather just wire it in. That way I can use my OBD2, and I don't have to worry about me pinching any of the wires when I take that out to plug in my BM3 my keys connector, or any of that. So we didn't solve the problem in this video. We're gonna wait for the support to get back to me, and I'll probably throw it up after this. But in the meantime, while we're waiting on them, I'm gonna go work on cleaning the air filter, and I'm also over there editing you guys content. So we're kind of doing a lot at once, but I'll try to bring you guys more videos. And yeah, that. And then we're also in a club now, bro. Like, if you guys didn't know, I'm part of team Ammonius. Ammonius. I don't know how to say it yet, bro, but everybody's cool in there. My boy Slow N55. My boy, I forgot homie's name. Doug with the AMG. We got a couple cool cars, and yeah, hopefully I'll bringing you guys a lot more show content with them. I'll be parking with them from now on. So they're really cool people. And if anybody's in NorCal or even in the Bay Area and you want to join, just let me know. We can get you a recruit banner. You show up to 3 shows with us, and yeah, you'll be a part of our group. So we're gonna get into cleaning the cone, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Guys, look, I was smashing home yesterday, and where I drive through, there's like fields, bro, like orchards and stuff. My car has a freaking mustache, bro. Look at this. That's crazy. Same thing with like up here, and then the windshield is like caked, bro. You guys can't really see it, but it's caked with bugs. That's one thing I don't like, but it comes right off. You can either get bug remover if you leave it on there too long, or you can just spray it with water, like a pressure washer, or the hose honestly works. I don't really care about the front bumper because I'm gonna be swapping it out soon, but it does look ugly. Looks like he got a fresh mustache right there, bro. I just thought that was funny. I wanted to share that with you guys. All right, so we're gonna pop this hood. Dang, it's caked with dirt. But we did just sorry, I'm stuttering. We just clay barred the car before I went to the clean culture event, and we used the butter wax from Chemical Guys. I thought it came out all right, but there's still a lot of scratches. But it is really glossy, as you guys can see. Like the car paint, it looks really nice. Although there's still a lot of imperfections, like on the front bumper, a couple of rock chips. But I mean, hey, can't really do anything about that. So I left it. Don't leave your car in accessory mode. You hear that buzzing. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take the lid off. We're gonna take the cone out, and we're gonna spray it down with the hose. Then we're gonna re-oil it, all that. I'm not gonna make this an individual video. I'm just gonna throw it in here with me diagnosing the gauge because I need to get you guys some content. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off really quick. And I'm gonna go shut the car off. And I'll show you guys the process of how to clean your intake cone if you've never done it before. All right, so we got the cone out. As you guys can see, this thing is caked with dirt. I know it's not terrible. You can still see a little pink, but we just installed the same intake on my cousin's car. He's got a G20 330i. We installed his, and it just looked way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean mine. I honestly haven't cleaned it since I've got it, so I think it's probably time. So basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this spray right here. I don't even think it has a lid on it yet. You're just gonna wanna spray it down. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand right now, but we're gonna see how that goes. Let's take it to the table. See, that is just caked with dirt, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to like record this one-handed and show you guys at the same time. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray the cleaner. It's gonna break up all of that dirt, rocks, debris that's left in there, and it's gonna release all the oil, if any oil is left on there. So as you can see, there's no color to it. It's just black. And don't worry, once we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and re-oil it as if it was brand new. So I think now you just leave the cleaner sitting, cleaner on there basically, and then you're gonna spray it down with the hose, and you're gonna let it completely dry. If you don't let it completely dry, you're gonna get a lot of water in your intake, and ultimately, if you have a B48, right into your turbo, and that is not good at all. So please make sure you dry these all the way after you're cleaning them. Go ahead and spray with the hose, and I'll get back to you guys in a little. Air drying. The sun went away. It's gloomy as fuck. It's gloomy outside, bro. So instead, we have the little I don't know, a job heater, bro. Whatever the fuck it is. Hey, you need propane. A lot of you probably don't have this, but my dad does construction, I guess you could say. So he has this. It's gonna dry it out quicker. You just need to make sure you turn it evenly so that it's getting all the way around the cone when it dries. And then I tried the compressed air. It was drying it, but it still wasn't drying it enough. So what I did is I went over it with the compression, dried it with the air, and then this is gonna just get the rest of the water that's left on the cook. As you can see, it's still a little dirty. I might go over it with the cleaner again, because in my opinion, it looks black still. But yeah, while that's drying, I'll get back to you when I oil it up with this stuff. I don't really think this needs a lot of oil because it's supposed to be it comes oiled from the factory. However, you don't really need the oil for these, but I'm just gonna put a little bit just to make it look nice. Also, I know it's expensive, but I've been thinking about doing some more, just like make this look a little nicer. I know it's clean as it is. Like, don't get me wrong, it looks nice. Like, it's simple, it's clean. But I was looking into stuff like this. They have a carbon in this, carbon piece. And also they have the red bolts, the red gesso bolts. Not worth the price on this car, but I know I will be getting an F80 after this car, so that will be transferable to the F80. So I could just invest in it now and then swap it over to my F80. Same thing with the caps. I could swap them to the F80 because after all, the engine's different, but it's the same chassis on the outside. So a lot of this is transferable. So I might get this in carbon, transfer it over to the F80. Those caps are transferable. And I have 2 extra ones. I was thinking about doing a giveaway, but I don't know, it's hard to get to 1,000. So if I ever get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away 2 of those gold wrench caps and a cowl filter to the 1,000 subscriber. So once we get to that point, you guys, I'll either give it away to that 1,000 subscriber or I'll just give it away as a giveaway. We'll see how that goes. We're still only barely hitting 300, so who knows when we'll get there. All right, as you guys can see, the filter's clean. and oiled up. In my opinion, it looks a lot better, and hopefully that gives it the little cleaning it needs. It didn't come out perfect, but I mean, it's better than it was. So yeah, if you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.